What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck. Coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today we have some Honda parts for a Honda car. If you guys don't know, this car was on TikTok. It was very viral of the dealership running over the curb. If you guys have not seen the video, I'm gonna throw it up right here.
Oh my god.
But this is that car. So in honor of Honda doing that, they also sent us the HPD kit, which I'm very interested in opening up. We have the front, the side skirts, and the rear. We're not gonna put on the front because she doesn't like the front, but we're gonna put on the side skirt and the rears, and I'm excited. So we're gonna put those things on right now, but we're gonna open everything up. I'm really excited to see what's in these. I have yet to really open it and really take a look at it. So let's open her up. Whoops. Took the front piece out. I believe this is the left side. So let's go here. And they would kind of sit like this, which I know is kind of hard to tell. I don't really know what these are. How this is supposed to help it. I'm drilling at the bumper, right? Kind of would sit like that. Well, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, she use a lot of the OEM stuff too. So she didn't want to put these on, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the rest of the boxes. If you guys have an 11 gen and you guys want to buy these, the front ones, please hit me up on Instagram because we're not going to be using these. We're actually going to be using a different lip for the car. So here's the end of that one. This is probably going to be the rear. Yeah, this is going to be the rear piece. It's actually bigger than I thought. So this is the rear diffuser part, which I'll show you guys in a second how it looks on the car. I don't know what these are. I gotta look into that. Yeah, these should be the side skirts. And you guys are probably wondering, do I know how to install any of this? No. Is there any videos on how to install any of this? No. So am I winging it? Oh yeah. I gotta figure out how to take a box apart. I think I opened it the wrong way. I did. Idiot. Oh, this is like black all the way around. Oh. Gives it a nice little touch to it. I still don't know what these are. Still don't know what these things do. Okay, so I got all the clips and everything that you need to get done that has to come off already. So I got the 2 screws that are in the front, all the little clips, and then the 3 on the back over here. So now pretty much all I have to do is take the side skirt off. To take it off, you pretty much want to grab it and kind of push it to the side, and then it should come straight out. So push it to the side, come straight out. I didn't think I was gonna have to do any of this, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Alright, finally got the side skirt off. Pain in the ass, but I figured it out. So now what you want to do is you pretty much have to go back in and take all of these out, I believe. So you kind of want to just turn them, and then they'll come right out. So take them off. You're going to be replacing the back end with the new ones that Honda gives you. So just go ahead and do that. I'm on the way to go get some drill bits because your boy doesn't have any drill bits, and I got lucky and one of the roommates had a drill, so I was gonna go get a drill bit. Trying to beat the sun. I at least want to get the side skirts on today. Hopefully we can possibly get the rear diffuser on, but that looks harder than the freaking side skirts itself. So we're on a rush right now, but let's hope we can do it. All right, 20 bucks later, we're back in business. Now I can finally drill the holes on this thing, which I should show you guys where they are. Let me bring it in the sunlight. So there's a few of them you're going to want to drill. There's one, they're marked too. So there's 1, 2, I think one of these ones for, and there's like two over there, 5 and 6. So, am I nervous to drill into the side skirt? Of course, but hopefully it goes easy. Okay, I got all the screws or all the holes punching in. It is kind of scary, but if you just follow the circles that I mentioned and follow the marking tool, it's all pretty easy. So I got the top and the sides done. So now it's time to pretty much put this in here, align it up, and it should be good to go. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Let's put it on.
Oh, pretty much.
Gee.
And
Came through with the Type S. You hardly see these anywhere.
it's really rare. 6 speed.
Oh, I like that seat.
Yes, sir.
What kind of seat is it?
It's Recaro SR7s. They're reclinable.
Damn.
The SR7s are the lower bowstring, and then the SR6 are the higher bowstring, if you're people wondering.
Yeah.
And then I have a hybrid short shifter.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It's so sleek that, like,
Yeah, I didn't even notice it. I didn't know these came in a V6. So, the bigger question here is, you had an S2000 at one point.
what happened to it?
Do you like this one, or do you miss your S2000?
I like this.
Yeah? More power?
Power.
Yes,
That's it.
that's what it comes down to.
Yeah,
huh?
this comes-
No, same
like,
here.
Like the S2000 was literally just not dealable.
Yeah,
There is no cup holder, there's no trunk space, there's no
yeah.
anything. Like this is literally
Perfect daily.
perfect daily. And a fucking fast car.
Damn. I didn't even know these came in V6s.
Odyssey motor.
Huh?
Odyssey motor.
Yeah. It's crazy. And your pyramid looks good too. Like, you're not too low, you're not too high.
That's the max low.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine is too. Oh, my Type R's not here. Rip. This is actually pretty clean. I don't think I've ever seen these in a Type S. You don't really see them at all. What I have been seeing a lot recently is RSX Type S.
Yes.
I actually literally seen one today. That's funny. So I just finished one side finally, as we're losing daylight. Looks good. I'm gonna compare it to the other side real quick, which is very, very plain, nothing on it. And then this side has the black. So now it should be pretty easy to put everything back on, hopefully. And then this side's good. So we finally got it on. Gee, that shit looks really subtle. It's not loud at all. I got the other side, still stock. So I'm gonna knock this side out and it should be pretty easy, hopefully. Well, like I said, nothing's ever easy. So should be 10 times quicker now that I know what to do. And we lost sunlight. So Nancy's here now. I just wanted to show you guys kind of like these little weird thingies. So I was very confused on what these are. When you go to drill the side skirt itself, these will go in there, and it kind of like extra safety.
It fastens.
Yeah, it's a fastener. Okay.
It makes me faster.
It makes you faster.
The fastener makes me faster.
And fitment is pretty on point.
Fish. I just want to know why when I drive this car, everyone goes, but when I'm in the SI, nobody gives a shit. Why?
So when you guys are putting the side skirt back on the car, it's easier to put these on first. So you just slip on and kaboosh. Oh, our light's dying and the sun's gone. That means I better hurry. Just like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know if I was recording.
That's a lot better. So we just got to the gas station to kind of fill up our car and kind of do a little bit of promo here, but I wanted to show the side skirts off in the lighting. Oh, there we got a little dirt, but it looks clean. Super clean lip. Was it an easy install? Yes, now that I know what I'm doing. Pretty easy. Look at that. Look, you got the HPD kit on there. Gee. Little sticker on there. But if you guys head to the first link down below, you guys will find the Lost Mines first ever launch for this. I do have the stickers available online on the website now, so if you guys want to support any of the builds, or any of the sidebar, the SI in general, go down below, copy yourself a shirt. We got the shirts done, got the simple Lost Mines logo and the sticker done as well. Got the back done as well. Very simple. They are on the website down below. Like I said, if you guys want to support me and support the channel and support these vlogs going on, go down below, cop it down below. Go get yourself some nice drip. Even if you cop just a sticker, even something as simple as a promotion, it helps out a lot. But these stickers are fire. I gotta put one in the house somewhere. I gotta put one on the car too, dude. What do you think? What do you think about the shirts?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's comfy.
It took me a little bit while. Like, this is the second batch of shirts that I had to order for pretty much like the quality. But see right there, we got the logo on there, and this is the official drop. So your boy's excited. Like I said, just go down below, go cop something, and you guys will be supporting Dagger Productions in a whole. But do you like your side skirts? And
I do. They look very, very nice.
yeah, they look good. So we're headed home now, but I'm gonna pretty much end the video here. I was gonna put the rear on today and put everything else on, but I just was too. Oh shoot! I was really shocked about how long it took to put the back ones on, or the side skirts on. So I'm really interested to see how the back one's gonna go on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to drill the bumper as well to put that one on, which I'm not happy about, but it is what it is. You guys get the bottom view. Oh, well, like I said, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.